a big role in investing too, because like you said, a lot of people are just like, how long is it going to take me to double my money? Like, that's all I want to know.
Yeah, definitely.
So mindset is huge. So a lot of people are also afraid, like, you know what, I'm afraid to invest because what if I lose all my money? What if the market crashes and now all my money is gone? So how do you help people with that fear?
Yeah, so I generally, there are two things on that one. The first one is, when has anyone when has anyone actually seen their investment go down to absolute zero? That has
It's true.
almost never ever happened.
Hmm.
The second thing is 2 years. So a recession on average lasts about 18 months. So
Okay.
no, those 18 months are not fun, but after, when we hit 2007, 2008, by 2010, we were at all-time highs at that point, and people's money had doubled from the time that they had lost all that money. So that's where
Wow.
that patience part comes in. The other thing too is look at it how you would any other item, right?
Hmm.
If I'm looking to buy a MacBook and all of a sudden it's half off, I'm buying it. Like that
Yep.
is a deal for me.
It's
Like,
a great
please sign
deal.
me up. I'm getting all the MacBooks now. So that's the same thing in most cases with the stock market. If you believe and know that Apple is a great stock and you know it's going to be something that's valuable, just like a MacBook over time, and the price drops significantly, then I'm going to buy it at a discount. And I'm going to hold
Hmm.
on to it for the long term. And that's the mindset that long-term investors have to have. Like, it's on sale right now. Only if I know that this is going to be a solid company. Now, if it ain't going to be
Yep.
solid, just leave it alone. But if you know it's going to be a solid company, it's half off, buy it when it's cheap, and then sell it when it's high 2, 3, 4 years later.
Okay. That's a good point. So I think that would definitely help a lot of people because some people are still very much like, I'm just going to keep my money in my savings account under my
Yeah.
mattress. But
And I'll say this too, like when we study the data, like I'm a data person, like
hmm.
we're all emotional, right? And that's
Yep.
me too. I lose money, like I'm like, oh my God, like what happens? Like what should I do? Like remember the whole Brexit thing and the market crashed, right? And everybody was upset and like, what is Brexit? What does this mean? Why am I losing money? 6 months later, all-time high. Nobody just completely forgot all about that, right?
Yep.
Uh, but over a 3-year rolling period. So let's say 2007 to 2010, 2010, 2013, and like it just continues rolling.
Hmm.
You have like an 80% chance of making money over a 3-year period. When you go 5 years, that percentage goes up to about 97% when you're investing over a 5-year time span. This is going all the way back
Oh, wow.
to the 1950s. When you do it over a 10-year span, you have a 99% chance of making money. So that's
Yep.
the patience part and zooming out and saying, okay, if you're trying to buy and sell within a day, within a week, that's risky. You
Yep.
probably are going to lose money. But the longer you zoom back and the longer you wait and just let that investment actually grow, your chances of making money are a lot higher than most people think.
Yeah, so it goes back to mindset, consistency, and patience. Those are
Yep.
like the three keys. Now,
Yeah, definitely.
obviously, we cannot go into every detail about how to start investing, but luckily, you did create a course, and
Yep.
you have a course called the Perfect Portfolio Course.
Hmm.
I love it. And in this course, you teach new investors how to choose their own investments. You also have like a test feature in there, so they can test it before actually spending money, which is awesome. You have so many great things in this course. You also have like a savings, I think you said it's like a savings analysis, like just to help people how to get started investing their first, how to save your first $1,000 to start investing.
Yep.
And it's perfect time. It's tax refund season.
Yeah.
People out there, y'all have extra money. And I think this course is super affordable. And it's only $147, which is just like, wow. Because if you're talking about, having consistency to start investing and you want to start investing your money, you're going to need a lot of money to start investing. So it's like, if you don't
Yeah.
have that 147 to even learn about how to invest your money, I don't know.
Right. And that's the thing. Like I wanted to make sure. So like in my advisory career, one of the reasons why I transitioned is because like I was only helping people who had $250,000 in cash and up,
Wow. In
which means
cash.
in cash, in cash. So if you didn't have the 250, you couldn't come sit in my office. And I
Wow.
learned a lot from that experience, but
Yep.
I realized that my own parents couldn't afford to sit with me.
Yep.
You know, that's not necessarily fair. So
Hmm.
people need advice, I wanted to put the course that was going to give the exact same thing I was giving those high net worth clients, but
Yep.
at a price range where like regular people could actually afford it and then have more money to actually invest. I could have charged $3,000 for that course. It would still
Yeah,
be a
you
discount,
could.
right?
Yep. Yeah,
Like two
definitely.
fifty, you know. But like if you're investing, if you're paying 3,000, like how much do you really have left over to actually
To
invest?
actually start investing. So
Yeah,
wow,
so I
147,
wanted
that's a great price.
yeah, like it's an amazing price. You have unlimited access to the course. You can email, ask questions. And again, like you said, the testing feature is my favorite part. And it's the thing that most of my students love
Yep.
because we all have like, we all think we have like great ideas, right? And we
Hmm.
say like, oh, if I invest in this stock, I could have had X amount. Well, actually, you can test it, you can test it to find out. Like, for
Nice.
example, like that's my thing. Like nobody likes to lose money, right?
Yep.
Nobody likes to invest and lose money. And we're not perfect. So what I did, I avoided losing $2,000 in the stock because
Wow.
I tested out. It was GE at the time, and this was about a year and a half ago. So I'm
Okay.
like, okay, I think GE is going to be a great stock. I'm going to invest. At the time, it was like $2,000 or $3,000.
Hmm.
I tested it first, right? Before
Okay.
why spend my own money if why not be 100% sure?
Yep.
I turned around, the stock was down like 50%. I had lost
Wow.
I would have lost a
You would
ton
have
of money,
lost.
but because I practiced what I preach and I
Hmm.
went through everything I do in the course, I'm like, hey, that's not a good stock for me, and left it alone. If you check GE now, like if you would check a chart, it's just going straight down, or at least it has for
Wow.
the last like 2.5, 3 years. So that's one of the things I enjoy. One of the things, again, I practice what I preach, and things my students enjoy because they can see, like, oh, you thought this was going to be a great idea, but you
Yep.
can go and see whether or not it's worth putting your money into, and rather what to expect on how soon that money starts to return.
That's awesome. I love that because sometimes people are just like investing is gambling, and but if you know what you're doing, if you have like an expert to help you and teach you the way, it's not like gambling because
Right,
you have the
right.
strategies, you laid out everything there to help people. So again, this is the perfect portfolio course. It is an amazing. I can't even believe the price. That y'all better get it before he changes his mind and just has to
Right, before
raise
it
the
goes up.
rent. But thank you so much again, Kevin, for being here, for sharing these gems with us, for spending your time with us. We really appreciate you being here. And again, if you guys want to keep up with Kevin, you can purchase the course or you can keep up with him on his website, buildingbread.com. You're also on Instagram. You're always dropping great tips on Instagram and Twitter. And it's on Twitter, you're at Building Bread.
Yep.
Twitter and Instagram at Building Bread. So make sure you guys follow and keep up with Kevin. And thank you again, Kevin, so much. Appreciate you being here today.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thanks so much for tuning in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you are looking to get serious about your investing goals this year, you need this course in your life. You know, last year you said you were going to do it, and if you didn't do it, now is the time. You have the perfect guide to help you get started and to help you learn more about how to just know more about stocks and so you can feel confident about investing. That's all I have for you guys today. If you're not already on my email list, I would love to see you on there. Your free guide on the 10 smart ways for you to spend your tax refund this year. All right, guys, until next time, I will see you later. Bye, guys.